And now with this information known, the capital, the period, the yearly rate, and the lending date, we can do a big calculate. We have already calculated the equivalent monthly rate from the yearly rate. For example, if the yearly rate is 2%, the equivalent monthly rate would be 0.17%. If we change the yearly rate to 6%, and this value would be updated. Why it could be updated? Because we have referred this cell, not this value 6%, but this cell. So just in D8 here, and the value in D8 cell, what it be? It will be referred this value. For example, it's 6%, and it would be 6% here in this formula. And if we change it to 3%, and it would be the D8 value here would be 3%. So we have only referred this cell, not the value of 3%. So we can change the value here as we want, and the value here would be updated. So with this information, we can calculate just as what we have shown here. Each month, how much money we should pay back. We can call it monthly amount. How much money we have to pay back each month. So here, just as what we have said, we should begin with equal sign here to tell Excel that the following is the calculate. We can input it here or here. It would be the same. And just what we have seen. Just what we have seen, capital times 1 plus interest rate in the powers. So we can calculate it as capital here multiply 1 plus interest rate. For each period is a month, so we will use monthly interest rate just here. And then the power of periods, so the power here. This is the numerator here. So this is the numerator here. And then we will type the denominator, and just as what you see in the denominator itself, it has its own numerator and denominator. And the numerator is what? What is numerator? It's 1 minus 1 plus interest rate here. You refer this cell, interest rate here. And n power of n the period. This is the numerator, and the denominator here is denominator. It's 1 minus 1 plus interest rate here, and we close the bracket here, and the bracket here. Okay, we have just figured out it's 171 or 72 euro each month to pay back 2,000 euros borrowed at the beginning of the year and pay it back in 12 times. So this is the monthly amount. Attention, in this calculator, you should remember to close these parentheses to ensure that the calculator is the same order. So pay attention to the bracket or to the parentheses to avoid the errors. And in this way, we have figured out how much money we should pay back each month, and then we can establish the body of this simulator.